It's 4:30 a.m. in rural Georgia. The air, still cool and crisp, carries the faint, unmistakable aroma of roasted nuts. Inside the colossal industrial complex known as Peanut Valley Foods, the day has already begun. For over 50 years, this facility has been a silent titan, a cornerstone of America's breakfast tables and lunchboxes. Every month, millions of jars of peanut butter will pass through these very walls, destined for homes across the continent. This isn't just a factory, it's a finely tuned symphony of agriculture, engineering, and logistics, operating on a scale that defies easy comprehension. Today, we step inside. Leading this monumental operation is Sarah Chen, the plant's operations manager. For Sarah, the scent of roasting peanuts isn't just a smell, it's the heartbeat of her day, a reminder of the immense responsibility she carries. Every decision, from sourcing raw materials to optimizing shipping routes, ultimately impacts the consistency and quality of a product beloved by millions. With a career spanning 2 decades in food manufacturing, Sarah understands the delicate balance between tradition and cutting-edge technology required to meet relentless consumer demand. Her day begins long before the sun rises, deep in the control room. The journey of peanut butter begins, of course, with the peanut itself. Not just any peanut, but specific varieties chosen for their ideal oil content, sweetness, and roasting characteristics. Peanut Valley Foods sources its raw material predominantly from local farms across Georgia, a state renowned for its fertile soil and ideal climate for groundnut cultivation. Truckloads arrive daily, each carrying up to 25 tons of freshly harvested peanuts. This massive inflow requires meticulous quality control from the very first moment, ensuring only the finest nuts enter the production chain. Before a single peanut enters the processing line, a rigorous inspection takes place. Samples are drawn from each incoming truck, immediately transported to an on-site laboratory. Here, technicians like Mark, a veteran quality assurance specialist, perform tests for moisture content, aflatoxin levels, and physical defects. A single batch failing to meet stringent standards can mean rejecting an entire 25-ton shipment. This initial screening is paramount, protecting both consumer safety and the brand's reputation, a non-negotiable step in the multi-stage quality protocol. Once approved, the peanuts embark on their first major transformation, thorough cleaning. They are gravity-fed into massive sifters and air classifiers, which expertly remove any lingering debris, soil, small stones, sticks, and even undeveloped nuts. This automated sequence is incredibly efficient, processing tons of peanuts per hour. It's a crucial step that not only ensures product purity but also protects the sophisticated machinery further down the line from potential damage. The rhythmic hum of these machines is the first true sound of production. With the peanuts thoroughly cleaned, they are now ready for the most flavor-defining stage, roasting. Batches are fed into colossal industrial ovens, where precise temperature and time controls are paramount. The roasting process, lasting anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes depending on the desired outcome, develops the rich, nutty flavor that consumers expect. It's a delicate balance. Too little roasting leaves a raw taste, while over-roasting can impart bitterness and burn notes. Sarah monitors the roast profiles constantly, ensuring consistency across every single batch. The aroma intensifies dramatically here. Immediately after roasting, the peanuts must be rapidly cooled to prevent overcooking and to stabilize their flavor profile. They tumble onto vast cooling belts, where powerful fans draw heat away. This quick transition is vital. Residual heat can continue the cooking process, affecting the final texture and taste of the peanut butter. The sudden drop in temperature also helps to prepare the peanuts for the next stage, making their skins brittle and easier to remove. It's a brief but critical pause in their journey, a moment of equilibrium before the next transformation. Once cooled, the peanuts undergo blanching, the removal of their thin, papery red skins. Specialized machines gently rub the nuts against each other, causing the skins to loosen and fall away. Air suction then removes these skins, separating them from the blanched, cream-colored kernels. This stage is crucial for achieving the smooth, consistent texture of peanut butter and preventing any bitter notes that the skins might impart. It also contributes to the distinct, lighter color that consumers associate with quality peanut butter. The skins are not wasted, often repurposed as animal feed or fertilizer. After blanching, the peanuts are typically split in half and undergo another round of meticulous sorting. Advanced optical sorters, equipped with high-resolution cameras, scan each individual peanut for any remaining imperfections, discolored pieces, or foreign material. Any substandard nuts are precisely ejected by jets of air, ensuring only the highest quality kernels proceed. This technological marvel can process thousands of peanuts per second, far surpassing human capability in speed and accuracy. It's a testament to the factory's commitment to delivering a consistently perfect product. The perfectly blanched and sorted peanuts are now ready for their transformation into butter. They are fed into massive primary grinders, where rotating steel plates crush them into a coarse paste. The friction generated during this process releases the natural oils within the peanuts, creating a thick, sticky consistency. This initial grind is a crucial stage, as it determines the fundamental particle size that will be refined further. The air in this section of the factory becomes thick with the rich, warm scent of freshly ground peanuts, an aroma that signifies true progress. Once the initial grind is complete, the coarse peanut paste is pumped into enormous mixing vats. Here, the recipe takes shape. Stabilizers, like fully hydrogenated vegetable oils, are added to prevent oil separation and maintain a consistent texture on the shelf. A touch of salt enhances the flavor, while a minimal amount of sugar or sweetener can be incorporated, depending on the specific product line. These additions are carefully metered and precisely blended, adhering to proprietary recipes developed over decades. It's a precise culinary science, scaled to industrial proportions. This is where the destiny of the peanut butter truly diverges. For creamy varieties, the mixture undergoes a second, finer grind, passing through powerful colloid mills that reduce the peanut particles to an ultra-smooth consistency. For crunchy, however, a portion of whole or coarsely chopped roasted peanuts is reintroduced after the fine grinding, giving it that beloved chunky texture. This careful timing ensures the crunchy bits remain distinct, not pulverized. The choice of grind and additive ratio is what defines Peanut Valley Foods' diverse product range. After mixing and grinding, the peanut butter is pumped through a homogenizer, a device that ensures a uniform dispersion of ingredients and a consistently smooth mouthfeel. Immediately following this, it undergoes deaeration, a process that removes trapped air bubbles. This is critical not just for texture, but also for shelf stability, preventing oxidation and maintaining color. These steps happen in a sealed, continuous system, ensuring no contamination and maximum freshness before the product ever sees a jar. The system hums with precision. The freshly prepared peanut butter, still warm, flows through sanitary pipes to the jarring hall. This cavernous space houses dozens of high-speed filling lines, each capable of filling hundreds of jars per minute. Automated systems ensure precise measurement, preventing over or underfilling. The empty jars, typically made of recycled PET plastic, arrive on conveyors, are sterilized, and then move into position to receive their creamy or crunchy payload. It's a mesmerizing ballet of automation, where millions of jars become full in a single shift, a true marvel of modern engineering. No sooner are the jars filled than they are whisked away to the capping stations. Here, lids are automatically applied and securely fastened. Immediately after, an induction sealing machine creates a hermetic seal beneath the lid, vital for freshness and tamper evidence. This invisible barrier protects the peanut butter from oxygen and moisture, extending its shelf life significantly. Every cap and seal is checked for integrity, with any faulty jars automatically rejected from the line. It's a critical safety and quality measure, happening at blistering speed. With their contents secured, the jars now receive their identity. Automated labelers swiftly wrap each jar with its brand-specific design, nutritional information, and ingredient list. Simultaneously, high-speed inkjet printers apply batch codes and expiration dates to each lid or jar base. These codes are vital for traceability, allowing Peanut Valley Foods to track every single jar back to its production date, time, and even the specific batch of peanuts used. This level of detail is a cornerstone of modern food safety protocols, offering peace of mind to consumers and regulators alike. Even after all these automated steps, human eyes and sophisticated sensors perform a final layer of quality assurance. Jars pass through metal detectors, X-ray scanners, and vision systems that check for correct fill levels, label alignment, and any minute defects. Any jar that doesn't meet the exacting standards is immediately flagged and removed. Sarah emphasizes that while automation drives efficiency, the ultimate responsibility for quality lies with vigilant oversight at every juncture. This final inspection ensures only perfect jars leave the factory floor. The finished jars are then grouped, shrink-wrapped into multi-packs, and carefully placed into corrugated cardboard cases by robotic arms. These cases are then stacked onto pallets, ready for their journey. The precision of these robotic systems is astounding, minimizing errors and maximizing stacking efficiency, crucial for optimizing space in warehouses and during transit. Each pallet is then wrapped for stability and tagged with a unique identifier, integrating it into Peanut Valley Foods' extensive logistics network. This final act readies the product for the outside world. Pallets are transported to the immense, temperature-controlled warehouse, a vast expanse stretching for acres. Here, high-reach forklifts navigate narrow aisles, stacking pallets floor to ceiling. This is where millions of jars await distribution. The sheer volume is staggering, a testament to the factory's output. An advanced inventory management system tracks every single pallet's location and status, ensuring efficient retrieval for outgoing shipments. It's a logistical marvel, a temporary holding ground for a beloved product, before it embarks on its journey across the country and beyond. From the warehouse, the journey continues onto trucks and railcars. Peanut Valley Foods operates a sophisticated distribution network, ensuring their product reaches every major retailer and countless smaller stores. Shipping schedules are meticulously planned to minimize transit times and optimize routes, reducing fuel consumption and environmental impact. This intricate dance of logistics is as critical as the production itself. A jar of peanut butter isn't useful until it's on a shelf, ready for a customer. It's a constant push to meet demand. To fully grasp the scale of Peanut Valley Foods, we need to look at the numbers. On an average day, the factory processes over 200 tons of raw peanuts. This translates to more than 500,000 jars of peanut butter produced and packed, ready for shipment. It's a relentless, 24/7 operation, driven by consumer demand that never truly wanes. These statistics highlight not just the efficiency of the machinery, but also the dedication of the hundreds of employees who make this monumental output possible, day in and day out. Operating at this scale comes with its own unique set of challenges. Sourcing consistent quality peanuts in varying harvest conditions, managing immense energy consumption, and maintaining complex machinery around the clock are constant battles. Furthermore, meeting the evolving preferences of consumers, from low-sugar options to new flavor combinations, demands continuous innovation without compromising core product integrity. Sarah notes that every shift brings new problems to solve, but the goal remains the same: deliver quality. It's a high-stakes balancing act. In an era of increasing environmental awareness, Peanut Valley Foods is actively investing in sustainable practices. This includes optimizing water usage and cleaning processes, converting peanut shells into biofuel to power parts of the plant, and reducing waste across the entire production line. Their commitment extends to packaging, with a focus on using recycled and recyclable materials for their jars and labels. It's a long-term vision, aiming to reduce their ecological footprint while continuing to meet global demand for their product, a challenging but crucial endeavor. The sheer scale of operation at Peanut Valley Foods translates into significant energy demands. Roasting ovens, powerful grinders, refrigeration systems, and hundreds of conveyor belts all draw immense power. To mitigate this, the factory has implemented advanced energy management systems, including high-efficiency motors and LED lighting throughout the facility. They also explore renewable energy sources, with a portion of the plant's electricity now offset by on-site solar panels. It's a constant effort to balance massive output with environmental responsibility and cost efficiency. Behind every machine, every jar, and every successful shipment are the people of Peanut Valley Foods. From the engineers who design and maintain the complex lines, to the quality control technicians, the logistics coordinators, and the frontline operators, their combined expertise and dedication are indispensable. Many employees have worked here for decades, contributing to a deep institutional knowledge that is passed down through generations. It's a community, a workplace where thousands depend on the consistent production of this iconic American food. With an aging workforce and rapidly evolving technology, training the next generation of food manufacturing professionals is a key focus. Peanut Valley Foods runs apprenticeship programs and partners with local technical colleges to ensure a steady pipeline of skilled talent. These programs cover everything from advanced robotics and automation to food safety protocols and lean manufacturing principles. Investing in people is investing in the future, guaranteeing that the expertise required to run such a complex operation continues to thrive. Sarah often mentors new hires herself. While the core recipe for peanut butter has remained remarkably consistent over the decades, innovation is continuous. The R&D department at Peanut Valley Foods constantly experiments with new flavor profiles, healthier alternatives, and different nut blends to meet changing consumer tastes. From unsweetened varieties to organic options and even adventurous spice infusions, the quest to expand the peanut butter repertoire is ongoing. This delicate balance of tradition and innovation is crucial for remaining competitive in a dynamic market, ensuring longevity and relevance. What does the future hold for America's largest peanut butter factory? Sarah Chen envisions even greater automation, smarter predictive maintenance for machinery, and an increasingly localized and sustainable supply chain. The integration of AI and machine learning will further optimize every stage of production, from initial sorting to final delivery. Yet, at its heart, the mission remains unchanged: to produce high-quality, delicious peanut butter accessible to everyone. The quest for efficiency and excellence is endless, fueled by a passion for the product. Peanut butter holds a unique place in American culture, a staple of childhood, a comfort food, a versatile ingredient. Its universal appeal transcends age and demographic, making it one of the most beloved and consistently consumed food products. This enduring popularity is what drives Peanut Valley Foods, day in and day out. It's more than just a spread, it's a taste of home, a source of quick energy, and a testament to how simple ingredients, precisely processed, can become an integral part of millions of lives. The sheer volume speaks for itself. For over half a century, Peanut Valley Foods has been more than just a factory, it's been an economic engine for its rural community, providing stable jobs and supporting local farmers. Its legacy is etched into the very fabric of the region, and its product into the daily routines of millions. From humble peanut to a global pantry staple, the journey is a complex ballet of nature, technology, and human ingenuity. As the sun sets over the Georgia fields, another shift begins, ensuring the comforting, familiar taste of peanut butter continues its endless journey.